In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your own online business and make $1,400 or more in a day just using your phone. So this is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Everything is based on your effort. I'm just showing you what is possible here. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. Now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I started this business because my company cut my pay. That's when I decided I didn't want to get another job because honestly, I don't want to be overworked and underpaid until the day I die. So that is why I started this business. And I made thousands of dollars with this business. And I know the creator of this business personally. So I highly recommend this business. And I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like and what you need to do to be successful here. Okay. So if you want to get started or if you have any questions or you want to learn more, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. And there's a couple of videos you can watch. You're going to have free access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint that shows you how to make 10K in 30 days. And after checking out the information, if you want to get started, just get started. And if you have any questions, just reply to my emails. And you can also let me know where you're watching from. If you have questions, drop it in the comments in this video as well. Okay, so now let me explain how this business works. And then I'm going to show you, I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly what this business looks like. And I'm going to show you our community and everything that you get and how everything works. Okay, so first let me explain how an online business works, how making money online works, right? So the first thing is you need an offer. That's the thing that you're selling. That can be a product, an opportunity, a service. It can be a physical product or it can be a digital product, right? So it can be your product or it could be somebody else's product. So here we're selling other people's products and they're digital products, okay? And we earn 100% profit here because this is not MLM, this is not affiliate marketing, which means we're not splitting our profits. There's no middleman, okay? We earn 100% profit. It's called master resell rights. You have resell rights to a digital product that you didn't have to create, and that's how you earn 100% profit. Anywhere from 100 to 1400 per sale, okay? Step number 2 is a system. This is how you make money in your sleep, right? So like we have a capture page. People go here, they put their email in. I'm going to show you what this looks like in a second. They put their email in, you're building your email list. They watch videos, they get emails from you, and then they go to your website, they buy stuff. This is literally how I've made thousands of dollars and how our community has made millions of dollars in total sales by following this process of having a system and a website where people can go and buy stuff. Okay. So step number 3 is a strategy. This is how you attract customers. It's marketing, it's advertising, attraction marketing. Okay. So what we teach is this 2-hour workday. Basically, we teach you how to build your business, how to get your income earning activities finished in just like 2 hours a day, right? So this is what you can do to build your business. Post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. Free content strategies. You don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to bother friends and family. You don't have to cold message strangers. You don't have to get on the phone with people. Just post 3 pieces of content a day to social media and we teach you how to do this. Okay. I create like little 7-second videos, talking videos, faceless content, whatever you want to do. 3 pieces a day. Choose your favorite social media platform and just post and get rich. Okay. Now, second thing you can do is you can also go live on social media, right? Choose your favorite platform, go live. You can go live on multiple platforms at one time too. There's different ways to do that. And then you can also post free ads on high traffic websites. Okay. So let's just say, for example, you did 30 minutes each, 30 minutes posting content, 30 minutes going live, 30 minutes posting free ads. That's an hour and a half. Okay. Then after that, you can follow up with any messages that you have, any emails that you have. Then you just go through a little bit of training inside of our program and inside of our community. So that's basically how the 2-hour workday works. The 2-hour workday works. You can do this however you want to split it up. You can split it up in any way you want to do it. 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there. And then your system is doing 90% of the work for you, closing the sales for you. That's how you earn passive income. That's how you make money in your sleep. Okay. So sevenfiguremonk.com, go there to learn more. And then if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Now I'm going to share my screen. Now that I've basically explained how this business and every business on the planet works, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay. So here is the system. This is the system. Before people go to our website, okay, before they get here to the website where they can buy stuff, first they go through the sales funnel. Okay. So there's going to be a capture page here that looks like this. You just got to put your picture in. They go here, they put their email in. Okay. So you're going to be learning email marketing. You're going to be building an email list. The money's in the list. And then they're going to watch one of these videos. Now, this video is explaining how everything works. So the video is doing all the explaining, all the selling for you. Okay, that's what the video is doing. And you can see they can click on this button. Once they do that, it takes them. Well, there's another video that we send out on people's emails. So there's two videos that people can watch, and then it sends people here to the website. And this is where they can buy one of our products. So what do we sell? We sell 5 digital programs. Okay, so for example, they can read through the website. You can also read through the website, and it will show you. There's like a yes getting started here. Okay. So they can click on this button, take them to show them what the products are that they can purchase, right? So we got 59,000 members in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. Okay. Why do people love our program? It's beginner friendly. There's a 2-hour workflow. It's available in English and Spanish. Simple steps and tools to follow. Keep every dollar you make. Learn to attract daily paid customers. Predictable income. That's why people love our business. Okay. And we have community for training and support. Here's your bio section. You just put your picture here, you put your bio here. This is perfect for you if you want to make extra income. Your 9 to 5 job doesn't provide financial security. You need a better way. You want to work from anywhere using just your phone or laptop. Okay. You need a reliable income stream. You're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities but struggle to see real results. And you want something that's step by step, then this is perfect for you. Okay. You have testimonials on the website. So you get to use this exact same website. This website has made us thousands and millions of dollars. Okay. We teach you how to use AI to build your business. There's a certification training. So you become a certified reseller of the programs and you learn how to do digital marketing. It's a global business. So it's available in English and Spanish. You can get customers from any part of the world. And this shows you what you're going to learn inside of the programs. Okay. And these are the programs that we sell. Okay. The video explains exactly what you're going to learn inside of the programs. Okay. So the video does that for you. So if you want to know what's inside of these programs, watch the video, right? So this is what we sell: 5 digital programs in the e-learning industry. So they sell for 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1400. These are digital products, which means you don't have to worry about inventory and you don't have to worry about shipping. You have unlimited supply. Okay. So you can earn anywhere from 1400, 900, 600, 300, and 100 per sale, right? You can only earn at the level you're at. So let's say you're at the $1,400 level, you can earn at that level and below. If you're at the 900 level, you can earn at that level and below. If you're at the $100 level, you can only earn at that level, but you can upgrade at any time. So if you want to start this business, it's a one-time investment. There's no monthly fees. You purchase one of the programs, just like I purchased one of the programs. I went with the 1400 because it's the best. But you can start with any program you want, and you can always upgrade later. You just got to pay the price difference. And there's no monthly fees, like I said. All you need is one sale, and your business is in profit. 2 sales, your business is in profit. Your business is free. And then everything related to your business is a tax deductible. It's a tax write-off. Of course, talk to your accountant about that. But basically, anything related to your business is a tax deductible. Okay. So that's basically the business. And then you get all these bonuses, these bonus trainings. You get access to our community for free millionaire mentoring in our community. Millionaires charge a lot for coaching and mentoring, and you get it for free in our community. Okay. And then we got these other bonuses like how to do faceless marketing, how to create your own digital products, how to build your own community, monetize your community, things like that. So that's basically the website. If you want to, and there's frequently asked questions here too. So you can check it out at sevenfiguremonk.com. You can read through the whole website yourself and see how it looks. Okay. So that's it. Let's say you decide to join this business. You want to do this business. You purchase one of the programs. You're going to have access to your program. Let me load that real quick. I forgot to load that. You're going to have access to your program here. Okay. Our program is kept inside of Kajabi. So here's your certification training, your bonuses, your website setup, and your program itself. So you want to go inside of the program. Welcome. We're so glad you're here. Watch the video below and learn how to get started. So watch that video and then just go through the program. Go through all the phases. Like there's start here, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So just go through all the training over time. It's going to teach you how to, build this business, how to build your business, digital marketing, multiple streams of income, using AI, social media monetization. You're going to learn how to build multiple streams of income as well as building this business, which is 10 streams of income itself. And then we teach you like phase 2, like this is where we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. It's called Launch to Profit in 7 days. So you want to watch this because this is going to teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Exactly what you need to do and post to get your first sale. Okay. So that's the program. And then let's go back to view all my programs. And one of the first things you need to do is set up your website, right? You need to go here. Okay. You got to get these pages set up. Okay. If you want to receive payments, you got to set up these pages. So it's probably like the first thing that you should do. And it shows you how to do it. It shows you what accounts you need to open up. Okay, so you just watch all these videos. Like you got to go to GoDaddy. You need your own professional domain and an email address, and we show you how to do that. So you got to set up your payment gateways like Stripe. Okay, Stripe, PayPal, Square, whatever works for you. I use PayPal, Stripe, and Square myself, and those work fine for me. Okay, so, and then it's going to show you how to connect your domain. Once you got your domain, it's going to show you how to connect your domain to your system. And then once it's finished, it will look like this. It'll look just like this. Of course, you'll have your picture. You're not going to have my picture. It's going to be like branded to you. Okay. And then you're ready to go, right? You're ready to go. And then you just test it, make sure your system is working fine, and then you're ready to go. And then you also get access to our community. So we have this free community. There's over 59,000 people in the community. And once you get inside of the community, you can go here, introduce yourself, ask questions. There's 24/7 support, free customer support inside of the community. Okay. And if we go to the wins section, you can see the wins that people are having. Okay. So this person got some new leads, potential customers for their business. Okay. This person got their first client, their first customer. Okay. This person made their first $100 sale. Oh no, not their first sale. Unexpected $100 sale. Did not expect it, but they got it. Those are the best kind, right? This person made $300 while busy with my school assignment. Gratitude all the way. Dennis, he woke up to like $300. Boom. This is the kind of freedom that made me start this journey. Dennis is crushing it. Okay. First sale, $100. Boom. All right. And yeah, there you go. $600 just before breakfast. This payment comes in really handy for Craig. Boom. Right before breakfast. $1,800 ding. She made $1,400, $100, and $300. So she had an $1,800 day. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Started Monday with $300. There you go. So that's just one page of wins. There's 30 posts per page. We have over 35,000 pages of wins. So that's a lot of wins. I think that's like over 900,000 wins. And then in our classroom, we have more bonus trainings and stuff. Getting started here, accessing your program. You can watch this first so you can be accustomed to like, right? Start here, how to contact customer support, everything you need to know. Okay. So the classroom, we have all these bonus trainings. Like we do these 90-day runs. We teach you how to make 30K in 90 days. Okay. Every day you're getting a training from a millionaire, just like a little video, anywhere from like 2 to 7 minutes. Okay. And yeah, and then the calendar shows you when we have live events, like we have tech support. We have an AI for your business training. That's on Thursday. Yeah. So there you go. There's the calendar that shows you the live events that we have. We have millionaire mentoring every Monday, right? And that's the community. Okay. So like I said, with this business, all you got to do, like you just got to get started. You got to set up your business. You're following the 2-hour workday. So like, remember, like post 3 pieces of content, go live, post free ads, right? So I'm going to show you, for example, like how I do that, just to give you a little example of that. So let me go back here. So like, here's my YouTube channel, for example. I use YouTube to build my business, okay? So I create like long form videos like this. Like the video I'm doing right now is a long form video. So I create videos that are over 10 minutes like this, okay, for my business. Or sometimes I'm giving like marketing tips or manifestation tips as well, mindset tips. That's what I do. I mix in business and value, which is recommended. You don't want to always do business necessarily, like mix in like a little bit of business and value. Value means like motivation, inspiration, education, entertainment, value. Okay. So I create these little talking videos, like these short form videos. Okay. Talking videos where I'm just talking for like a minute or less, creating curiosity, speaking to my perfect customer, taking them through the buyer's journey. Like you're going to learn how to do this, like how to create content, like little videos, but in a way that's going to stop the scroll and attract customers. You're going to learn how to do that. So I create little short form videos. Sometimes I'm doing talking videos, sometimes little 7-second videos. It's just a variety of stuff. Okay. And then my lives, I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok simultaneously. So my lives are recorded and people can watch my lives. And then I have little playlists that I create and I create these little posts too. Like this is what's cool about YouTube is like you can create videos and you can also create posts like this. So I got all these different posts. Some are business, some are value. Like I said, business value, mixing it up. Okay. Same thing with TikTok. Like you can use whatever social media platform you want. Here again, I'm just posting content on TikTok and I can create one video and I can post that one video on like every different platform. You can repurpose your content, right? So there you go. That's me on TikTok and then posting free ads. See, we can go to these websites. We have training for all of this too. Posting free ads. Like we teach you how to post content. We teach you how to go live. We teach you how to post ads. Okay. So like here, I can post an ad in any part of the world. Let's just go to, I'm from Michigan. Okay. I'm from Ann Arbor. So whatever. Doesn't matter though. This is a money making offer. So people that are looking for ways to make money, they'll come, they'll be interested in what we do. So affiliate marketing, business opportunities, entrepreneurship, investing, side hustle, work from home jobs. Okay. So you can just pick whichever one you want to do. And then you just got to fill out this information. You know, I've done it many times. Just copy and paste. It takes like a minute. So that's how you post free ads. Okay. So I basically showed you everything. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com and check out the information, watch the videos, reply to my emails if you got questions. Otherwise, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with somebody. If you know somebody who's struggling financially, you know, they have a lack of time or they have a lack of money and they're looking for legitimate ways to make money online, make sure to share this video with them. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, have a great day. God bless.